If Google Chrome is running very slow on Windows 11, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can make Chrome feel faster almost immediately. We'll look at Chrome's built-in memory saver mode, stop background tabs that are eating up CPU, tweak hardware acceleration, turn off Windows 11 efficiency mode when needed, and clear a corrupted DNS cache so web pages load properly again. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button if this tutorial helps you out, and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do is enable memory saver mode in Chrome. This feature is built right into the browser, and it helps free up RAM by putting inactive tabs to sleep in the background. If you usually keep a lot of tabs open, this one change can make a huge difference. To do that, open Google Chrome, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner, and choose Settings. Inside Settings, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Performance. On this page, find Memory Saver and switch it to On. Once this is enabled, Chrome will automatically use less memory on tabs you are not actively using, which can help your browser respond much faster. Now let's move on to the second fix, which is force closing stored background tabs. Sometimes one frozen page or a bad extension can quietly use a lot of CPU in the background, and that can make the entire browser feel sluggish. To check for that, click inside Chrome and press Shift plus Escape. This opens Chrome's built-in Task Manager. Here, click the CPU column to sort everything by how much processing power it is using. If you notice a tab or extension using a high amount of CPU while you are not even doing much, that is a red flag. Select the process, then click End Task to stop it. This can instantly improve performance if one tab is causing the slowdown. Next, let's look at hardware acceleration. On some Windows 11 systems, Chrome's graphics settings can conflict with your video driver or display setup, which can cause lag, stuttering, or slow scrolling. To adjust this, go back into Chrome settings, click System from the left sidebar, and look for Use Graphics Acceleration when available. If it is turned on, try switching it off and then click Relaunch when Chrome prompts you. If it was already off and Chrome is still slow, you can also test turning it on, because different systems behave differently. In some cases, offloading work to the GPU helps Chrome run smoother, while on other systems, turning it off is the better option. It is worth testing both directions if needed. The next fix is one that a lot of people overlook, and that is Windows 11 efficiency mode. Sometimes, Task Manager decides Chrome should use fewer resources than it really needs, and that can slow everything down. To check this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Windows Task Manager. Find Google Chrome in the process list and expand it if needed. Look for any process with a green leaf icon, which means efficiency mode is active. If you find one, right-click it and turn efficiency mode off. That tells Windows to stop limiting Chrome's performance, which can help restore normal speed. Now for the final fix, clear your DNS cache. A corrupted DNS cache can make websites take forever to start loading, and that delay can make Chrome feel broken even when the browser itself is fine. To do this on Windows 11, right-click the Start button and open Terminal as Administrator or Command Prompt as Administrator. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a success message confirming the DNS resolver cache has been cleared. After that, restart Chrome and try loading a few sites again. In many cases, this removes that extra delay and makes browsing feel much more responsive. So to recap, if Chrome is running slow on Windows 11, the best places to start are Memory Saver, the Chrome Task Manager, hardware acceleration, Windows efficiency mode, and the DNS cache. These are quick, safe fixes that can make a big difference without reinstalling anything. If one fix does not fully solve the issue, keep going through the list because the slowdown may be caused by more than one setting at once. If this video helped you speed up Chrome, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.